Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best product reviews on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor cooking with the ORDORA Grill Basket. If you're a grilling enthusiast looking for the perfect tool to cook fish, meat, and vegetables, you're in for a treat. This grill basket is not just any ordinary grill accessory. It's the best fish grilling basket available. Stick around as we explore its features, benefits, and how it can elevate your outdoor cooking game. Let's kick things off with an overview of the ORDORA Grill Basket. This stainless steel beauty is designed to make your grilling experience easier and more enjoyable. It's not just for fish. You can use it for steak, shrimp, vegetables, chops, and more. With its unique features, it's become Amazon's choice for grill baskets. Now, let's delve into what makes this grilling basket stand out from the rest. The ORDORA Grill Basket comes with 3 custom divided sections, allowing you to keep different types of barbecue food separated. No more mixing flavors. You can cook sharps, steaks, and vegetables all at once or remove the dividers for a larger cooking space. Crafted from premium food grade 201 stainless steel, this basket is safe to use, won't warp or twist, and is easy to clean. It's not your average 430 stainless steel or plated material. With dimensions of 12.29.61.8 inches, this grill basket offers ample space for 2 to 3 people. It's deep enough for whole fish, large meats, thick fillets, and other barbecue favorites. Plus, it's compatible with various grill types, from gas to charcoal to smoker grills. The ORDORA Barbecue Basket features a detachable heat-resistant wooden handle for easy handling and flipping of your grilled foods. It's ideal for burgers, steaks, seafood, vegetables, fish, and more. The grill grate is thicker, denser, and stronger, ensuring even heat distribution and preventing small pieces of food from falling through the grid gap. It's built to last, making it a reliable choice for your grilling adventures. Hey there! So, what are the benefits of using the ORDORA Grill Basket? We bet you didn't know that. Say goodbye to flavor mixing. The divided sections let you grill different foods simultaneously without compromising taste. Whether you're a meat lover or a veggie enthusiast, this basket can handle it all, making it perfect for family gatherings and barbecue parties. The detachable wooden handle and slide lock make flipping and handling your food a breeze. Built to last, this grill basket will be your trusty companion for many grilling seasons to come. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best fish grilling basket, the ORDORA Grill Basket should be at the top of your list. Its innovative design, durability, and versatility make it a must-have for any outdoor cooking enthusiast. Hey there! So why wait? Elevate your grilling game with the ORDORA Grill Basket today. That wraps up our review of the ORDORA Grill Basket. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with this grill basket, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy grilling!